My friend has just cooked Indian meal for us here, right here, in the middle of the jungle. Just check out the beans, amazing beans, and we are having parathas. Oh man, this is so much fun. Yeah, I know, we're Indian tourists. Rajat, you enjoying your food?
Again, Rajiv.
Rajiv, sorry. You enjoying your food?
Enjoying good food.
That's Rachel from the Kenya Wildlife.
Yeah.
Hello. Say hello.
So nice.
Yeah.
So good.
What's your name?
Livingstone.
Livingstone.
Yeah. He's my colleague.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Livingstone is also from Kenya Wildlife, KWS.
Exactly.
Nice.
Kenya Wildlife Service. Yeah.
That is good.
So you are most welcome.
Thank you so
We
much.
love visitors. We like visitors.
We can
We like
feel.
interaction. So you are most welcome.
Thank
Feel
you.
at home.
Thank you.
Madam, some comments from you. How is the paratha we cooked?
The paranda is so nice. In Kenya we call it chapati. Yeah.
This is big brother of chapati.
He
It's called paratha.
He says it's not chapati. He says
Paratha,
it's
paratha.
what?
Paratha.
Parada.
Paratha.
That's what he says. Yeah.
When you do this,
Hmm?
it becomes a paratha.
What do you
It has a flavor.
Chapo is you're just not using fats. Okay, like when you cook the chapo, say suppose now this is you can call it a chapo.
like
This is
that
with
without
yeah
Without fat.
without fat.
Okay.
But when you put the fat, it is called as a paratha in India.
Okay.
Ah. And these beans,
Yes.
the maragua, what we had cooked, is cooked the same way.
Same way.
Same way, but this is called as rajma.
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 Okay.
R-A-J-M-A. Rajma.
Rajma.
It's the same dish.
I
Here
see.
you call as the maragua.
Maragwe.
Maragwe. Sorry. Sorry.
I see.
Maragwe. And in India, it is called as the rajma. The same red beans.
Rajma.
Yeah. So this is actually
Okay.
very high on protein.
It's good to know.
It's very high on protein.